Hi again, guys. Okay, today we are here also in the mountain, in the forest, and we are going to do other activity to improve our healthy different sports. Okay, we are walking during the 3 kilometers more or less. No, Santi, Julie, with my friend Santi.
4, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
3.
yeah. And now we have arrived here in a resting point, but for me that not is a resting point. For me it's an opportunity. It's I want to convert this resting point in a gym, for example. Yeah? We are going to do 10 steps, 10 up and down, here, like this. Okay? It's important hold because if not you can fall. And it's important. Yeah, times. Faster in time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. 8. 9. Okay, 10. And finally, we can finish our exercise. Do a little flexions. 10 flexion is okay. You ground the ground. You set your foot in the ground. And okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. The best now is stretching the body, the back, and continue our trip. Bye. I will get it. I am the best. It's your turn.